Hey cruising crew, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Holly and Andrew, and today we are sailing on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. I want to share our room with you guys. So it's a pretty standard balcony cabin room, but for Utopia of the Seas, these rooms feel oversized. And there's a few different things that I think make it feel that way. The first is when you first walk into the room, there's not like a tight hallway with the closet anymore. It's actually the bathroom on a corner. So let's check that out first. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. When you first walk in, you've got your full-size mirror. Sorry, we already got our luggage. Our rooms were ready right at 1 o'clock and our luggage was already here. But so when you walk in, you've got the bathroom right here. These are pretty good sized bathrooms, I would say, for a cruise ship. You've got the standard shower, but at least it doesn't have any curtains. It's got the curved door. Give you guys a little demo. Pretty nice size shower. We don't come on new ships very often, so I think this is kind of a special treat for us, but it's nice to see something modern, a little bit updated compared to the older style of ships. So I'm gonna come out of the bathroom here, show you guys the rest of the room. So in the room, you've got two different sections. You've got your seating area and your sleeping area. So your seating area is this nice big couch, and on either side, you're gonna have a closet. All right, one more thing in this area. You've got a desk with, let's see. Oh, I didn't bring my converters.
I did.
Okay, so you got you have 3 US plugs. Good job, baby, bringing your converters. If you have those converters, bring them because there are 2 European plugs. And then there's 1 USB plug and 1 USB-C plug. So very modern. So that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plugs. That's the most plugs I've ever seen in a room. Moving on over, we've got our cabinet here. We've got a few drawers. It has our breakfast if we wanted to do continental breakfast in the room. Hair dryer, and then down here we actually have our mini fridge. Plenty of storage in this room, and you can see it's a pretty big space. We're actually traveling with some friends that have a pack and play for their infant with them, and it fits right here, right where Andrew's standing. So it's a good size room even if you're traveling with small children. There is enough space to set everything up and still be functional in the room. So I'm going to turn us around here to our sleeping area. This space is super functional no matter how you're traveling. You've got some lights, another plug, new ship for the win. But honestly, the reason you would book this room and what I know you all have been waiting for is the balcony. So let's step outside and check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and stay tuned because we're going to be giving a full ship tour of Utopia of the Seas next week.